Hi there. We're in the front yard, so it's going to be loud. Got a lot of cars that go by this time of day. And we got our little Appleyards out. Oh, who's that? Who's that? Scary. Got a bunch of ducklings out in the front yard today. I know 2 of them look quite large, but those are 6-week-old ducklings. And the little yellow ones are 1.5-week-old ducklings. Well, there they go. I guess we can't see them anymore. Oh, they're bringing them back. Oh, very interested, huh? What is going on here? Jelly Bean, are you being nice? Hi, babies. What's happening? Excuse the mess. We've been working out in the front yard a lot. Making all sorts of messes. Hi, duckies. It's a really nice day today. It's a beautiful Saturday. So I thought it was a good day to bring out my 1.5 week ducklings. When it's 60 degrees or over, the duckies can come out. Oh, here they come. Oh, hi, so brave. Creeping by me. Hi. Oh, big ducks are going to investigate. Be gentle, please. Jelly Bean, you be nice. Just a little too interested, huh? Oh, don't touch my sister. So this is Jelly Bean, and that's Sprinkles. They were my first incubation of 2024, and we considered it a fail because they were the only ones who hatched. But our second hatch had a dozen, which again was kind of a fail. We put a lot of eggs in 2 incubators, and we only got a dozen ducklings, but hey, 12 is better than 2. And I don't mind. Quality over quantity. They're so beautiful. Here they come. There they go. So busy. Babies. Oh my goodness. We're hiding. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. They're peeking over the edge. You guys gonna be nice, please? It's the first time that they've ever seen the ducklings, so of course they're very curious. Oh my goodness. Baby's scrambling. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a nice day. Are you growing some wing feathers, Jelly Bean? Look at you 2. I'm pretty sure I've got a nice little pair here. Jelly Bean and Sprinkles, a boy and a girl. But we'll see. But that kind of looks like that's what's happening. Oh, so pretty. Woo, that was a loud motorcycle, huh? I usually don't do my videos in the front yard for this reason. It's just too loud. I've also got some bunnies hopping around out there in their little grazing pen. Who's right behind me, huh? Hi! A bunch of babies? Hi, babies. So this hatch was much better than the last. Lots of beautiful Appleyards, very consistent. Love the colors. The only one I'm a little bit like, is this one here. Still breeding in a bit of that dark phase. So we're I'm trying to get them all to look all yellow like that. Oh, we're very close. And there was one little one that I pulled from the egg. And it's Pee-wee. It's this little one right here. Hi, I'm Pee-wee. I'm little. I have tiny little legs. Babies! Ducklings are so fun. They're very inquisitive, very curious, great attitudes. Jelly bean? I got you, babies. You're okay. Jelly bean, you're scaring them. You're being a little aggressive. Just a little bit aggressive, huh? You're just checking things out. Yeah? You stay away from those babies, honey. All right. I'm gonna go save my little babies from Jelly Bean. I'd have to separate them. Just wanted to do a quick video and say hi, we love you. We miss you. We hope you're doing so good. Where's my little Pee-wee? Here's a little Pee-wee. Yeah, and we'll see you soon. Pee-wee's waving goodbye.